What's going on, family? Welcome back to Quiche Positive Vibes. Now I know I've been gone for a good little minute, right? Actually, ain't been that long, right? But just seeing because I haven't been posting, it's been a long time. But what I noticed is sometimes you got to take a step back and do a reset, right? So that's pretty much what I've been doing. And also waiting for that noise to pass by. But there we go. So pretty much what I've been doing is doing like a reset. So I've started back getting into my meditation, right? I started back making sure I'm writing everything down, journaling, right? I listen to certain sounds and frequencies when I go to sleep. And then when I wake up, certain dreams that I have, I write them down, right? And I'm starting to get back into just me, okay? So you don't hear me talk about this before, but it's okay to keep starting over, but long if you're learning something from each experience. So what made me do this video today is because I was thinking about it. I went to this event called Pro Trader, right? It's a strictly trading event, but then also too, we go over mindset. So one of the speakers, he was talking about how we're always looking for that missing piece. All right, we go to this event, we watch this person, we listen to this audio, this music, we do different jobs, whatever it is, right? But we're always looking for that missing piece. So to me, I thought about it, I was like, man, that's like, I don't know if you ever did like the puzzles, right? You get it might be old school, I don't know, but you get the puzzle box, right? Then you fill out all the puzzles, you put all the puzzle pieces in there, right? You're like, yeah, boom. You get to that last piece, sometimes in the middle, might be in the corner, but it's always in the most awkwardest spot. And you're like, man, where is that missing piece? You check everywhere, you go check where you got it from, you go check the mail, wherever you got it from, right? You go check on the floor, under the table, you're checking everywhere. You even think about calling the company and be like, hey, y'all short me a piece. But sometimes, and because when I thought about this analogy, I was like, man, sometimes you just lift up that box or just move to the side, that piece be sitting right there the whole time. So literally, we don't look every single where for this missing piece, but if I would have just moved just a little bit, the piece is right there. So think about it when it comes to you. We're always searching for that missing piece. What is that missing link, Keisha? If I just had that missing piece, I'll be able to just move forward in my life. But sometimes the missing piece is you. Everything that you need is within you. That's why I did a whole reset. And then when I did this reset, I realized like, man, I look at myself in the mirror, I'm like, yo, you were the missing piece this whole time. Everything that you needed and that you was looking for is right there. You just needed to bring it out. That's all. So when you're looking for that missing piece, you're like, man, 2021 is coming, it's about to come to a close real fast, and I haven't did what it is I'm supposed to be doing this year. Step back, do a reset, and realize that you are that missing link. It's you. You're not going to find it from anyone else, right? Everyone else is going to tell you the same exact thing. You probably even heard this before, but they're going to tell you the same exact thing. That is all within you. So what I can recommend, because everybody loves recommendations, right, is that I know we get busy. So if you can take 5 minutes, just 5 minutes, go onto YouTube, research some 5-minute guided meditations, and then whenever you get 5 minutes, just 5 minutes to yourself, do that. Because I started off with 5 minutes, and then I went up, and now I'm doing 10 minutes. And then probably next month I'll go up and do 15. Just baby steps, but you're still moving forward. So when you're doing those guided meditations, it's going to bring you back to within you, your inner self. Once you do it enough times, say 30 days, right? I've been doing this 30-day type prosperity thing, and it's a lot of stuff. You thought I was in beast mode before and attracting to manifest some stuff. In the next 90 days, before 2021 is even over, man, y'all better stay close. You better stay close and listen to what I'm telling you, because this stuff is real. But the more that I know, as I started to do this different type of stuff, meditating, writing stuff down, getting back to me, working out, stuff is starting to transform. And it wasn't always within me. It was the fact that I had to realize that that was always in me. Okay? So make sure you take some time out to yourself. Start off with 5 minutes. Write down how it is you feel after you do that meditation or that breathing work, whatever it is, right? And then go ahead and start working on yourself. Don't think you got to start off with just a big thing. No, start off with small steps. If you got to go for a walk for 5 minutes a day, you're starting somewhere. If you got to take 2 minutes just to do some breathing and get back to you, it's worth it. But do that every single day. And those little steps are going to add up to something big. And you're going to be able to do so much more. But that's all I got for today. All right, make sure if you gain some type of knowledge or something from this video, make sure you forward it to a friend. And I want y'all to look out too, because I'm gonna start back doing my quiche money vibes, so make sure you look out for the episode as well. So thank you once again for watching, and remember, no one else has told you. You know who believes in you? I do. But you know what's most important? Make sure that you're believing in yourself as well. That's all for today. I wish you all have a blessed, prosperous, and wonderful day. And I will see you all on the next episode of Quiche Positive Vibes.